so cold with his steel, and he's been sitting in his kingdom that he's opened to build. And he's so bold with his skill, overdosing comatose, cause you know that the flow is so real. Please, you ain't fucking with the famine shit, you couldn't manage it. You ain't a candidate to damage it, but shit, man, I remember back in the day, before we could actually say that we were passing the J. I was rapping ravenous in passionate ways, and you wouldn't ever make it is what the lame average would say. But the classics I lay ya, the bricks to success, and if you're dissing my sender, I may piss on your deck. But I live for the weekends and I die for the summer. My heart is still beating, plus I got the eyes of a hunter, with the mission of spitting my gift with this pen, while my fam listens while sipping on a fifth of that gin. Yeah, that's Mike.